see a rocket, a big rocket been preparing for HCMC, a big sign for a momentum change for HCMC. So we have to watch out for the next explosive Monday. How are you doing? Happy weekend, everybody. Hope you have a nice weekend. So without a further ado, without a BS, I always told you guys at my channel, straight to the information, straight to the chart, raw information. So let's get right to it. Before we go, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification, and let's go right to it. As we can see, guys, here, and perfect, as we can see here, the price is been the momentum I can see here is picking up, and we are actually above the zero, and we've been clear from the negative momentum, and this is not good. But now we've been trading above the 0.0014, and this is really good. As I noted in the previous video, I told you we're gonna see a rejection here at 0.0020. Hopefully you saw the video, because I showed you guys, there's a big sign of reversal if it happened, if we never went above and we cleared this level. That's why we got rejected and even went down to 0.00113. And now we've been holding, as we can see, above the 0.0014. And the other thing, like, we want to talk about, look with me here closely. From the 5th of April, look with me, we've been trending at 0.0010, of course, and this is the lower low. Look with me, then from the 13th of April until the 16th, before we saw the big jump here, we've been doing higher lows. You see, this is a change in a trend, and the price has been trending up. This is really perfect scenario you want to see in any stock when it dipped. So this is as I can see, a sign of reversal, and we doing higher lows. And the other thing, in the momentum indicator, we see the volume is picking up and is above the zero and is in positive. Let's go. Always I show you guys to have a clear big picture and small picture. And as we can see, guys, this is another good indication. When you have the small picture relate to the big picture, is mean we have more confirmation about our price movement. So as we can see, the momentum above the zero and in positive, this is good. The other thing we want to check is the same. We have a higher lows, perfect. Now the moment of truth for HCMC by Monday. By Monday, what we want to see? We want to see the price hold again above this. We never we don't want to go again to 0.012 to break our trend, because the trend is our friend, and now the trend is doing higher lows and doing this ascending like explosive shape for reversal. So what we want to see, the price test again by Monday, guys. By Monday we want to test 0.020, and this time we have a big explosion like this one in order to see the price go up to even 0.026. But the other scenario, perfect. Even if we get rejected here, we have to consolidate above the 0.20, guys. 0.0020. This is perfect. If this happened, I guarantee you guys, we're gonna see higher highs, and the reversals is imminent, and we see a big explosion of prices. Because now, as we can see, the volume been dropped the last time we got the rejection from 7 billion to 3 billion, but it's better, way better than back then in the 1st of April, because we've been trending even below the billion. So now what we want to see first, pick up in volume again to see the 10 billion in order to even go to 0.026. This is the most important technical level that we've been testing before at 11 on March. We tested and we get big rejection around the 0.0026. This is the next level we have to test. We were gonna get rejection, but this time we don't want to see a rejection and we go below the 0.0020. This is really important, because as I told you, if we consolidate here and the volume is still above the 10 billion, this is big incentive that the price will go even higher, and by the end of the next week we're gonna break even this level. But until then we need to hold above the 0.20. We don't want to see a rejection, and we don't want to break our trend line here, from our line here, and we go again below the 0.0014, because this will be our price. Will be not validated and we go lower. So this is really important to note, guys. So as I always show you guys here, no bias. I don't give you like information that just you want to hear, but I'm just give you what the market maker been doing behind the scene, because the more you be subjective, the more you see more sign, you see more indication for reversal or sell-off, so you be protected and you can average down or you sell. So you be more not stressed, but you have just a plan, a strategy to work on, and just execute. That's it. That's how the market maker do. Just execute. The price is not good, they just sell, no emotional attach, and the most important thing, they admit, they usually, if this is really, they admit they're wrong and just they cut the losses. That's it. So this is the most important thing to note for HCMC. So hopefully you like the video, like and come subscribe to my channel, daily videos, so you never miss any of my future updates. And see you guys in the next week, and hopefully you have a nice weekend. See you guys.